Okay, guys. Hey, it's Tripp Powell from Coosa Country Club. Today's drill, we're going to be doing a kind of a different way to think about the one-hand drill that we had last year when we used our left hand to kind of let the club fall and hit. This time, this drill is a one-hand drill as well, but it is more so for the trail hand or the right hand. And what we're really going to focus on is trying to keep this hand set throughout the swing. A lot of trouble comes from when that trail hand breaks down, and one of the main reasons it breaks down is because we stop moving our upper body. If we keep our wrist set in this position, throughout, and really get our upper body kind of, cleared out and really generate most of the power from that, and then just having our hands kind of just set in that position that we had it in at address, and then we can release through. That's going to give us more consistent ball striking, more consistent hit, and it's going to make it a lot easier for that left hand to just fall down. And when we open the shoulders on the way through towards impact, it also brings our release, up, towards past the ball, which a lot of amateurs, the release happens, right in about here. About halfway down, that wrist starts to go straight. So this helps prevent that by getting those shoulders moving and kind of putting the hands there rather than actually putting your hands there. Think about working your shoulders around and kind of clearing out, and that's going to really put us in a good spot with our hands. We'll do some from the back, and that's it. Call me for lessons.
Right. Oh. Right. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hey. Welcome to the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. Well. Yeah. Welcome to the jungle.